In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one by one on Google Slides. This is a great way to add some flair and keep your audience engaged during presentations. We'll walk through each step to ensure your slides transition and animate text exactly when you want them to. Let's get started. Begin by heading to Google Slides, which you can find by navigating to Google Drive and selecting Google Slides from the menu, or by just typing in the URL directly if you're familiar with it. Once you've reached the Google Slides page, you need to sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. This step is pretty straightforward. Simply enter your credentials and access your Google Slides home. Now that you're logged in, you have the option to either create a new presentation or open an existing one. For the purpose of this tutorial, I recommend starting with a blank presentation so you can apply these animations fresh. To do this, simply click on the blank presentation option. However, if you feel like experimenting with some color or style, you can also choose a theme that suits your needs. Once you are in your presentation, the next step is to select the text that you want to animate. Click on the text box containing the text you want to animate, making sure it's highlighted. Now you should see some options at the top of your screen. Click on Insert from this menu, which will drop down more options for you. From there, select Animation. This is where the fun begins. The options panel will appear on the right hand side of your screen. You'll want to select the Appear option to start adding animations to your text. This will allow the text to come into view when you specify. But wait, we're not done yet. Next, click on Fade In from the effects options if you wish for a subtle introduction of the text to your audience. This is generally a smooth and pleasing option you might want to consider for a professional presentation tone. Furthermore, click on Click to time the appearance of the text in your slideshow. This means the text will only reveal itself when you prompt it during your presentation. It's a great way to control the flow and keep the audience focused on the content at hand. And there you have it. Your text is now set to appear one by one with that attention-grabbing fade-in effect at precisely the moment you want it to on your click. This technique not only enhances engagement but also keeps your audience focused on what's important. Practice this a few times and you'll master the timing in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to experiment with different animations and transitions to create captivating presentations.